Milo! Milo! Oh god.
Что?
Whoops.
I can do this easily. Watch this. Alright, and then let me lay down over here. Yep. No!
Do it, do it.
I'm so f***ing sick of being goddamn fat! I just wanna be skinny!
Let's the bare necessities. Oh,
Jesus
holy
Christ!
fuck! Wait a minute, what am I running away for? I'm a bear.
Yo, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m. What the? Yo, this cat's...
Hola, chicos. Hola, bombón.
Treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Bomb in position.
You wanna learn how to fly? All right, here we go. Ready? Flap them wings. Flap them. Yeah. Why she don't listen? It's because she speaks Spanish. What? Yo, Prada, sit. Siéntate.
No. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Ow!
Let's go, Mason. I owed him up.
我开枪了，你快逃呀！
Así.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Kids will bring them down. Oh, that's so nice of her. Don't you like it?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
So I just bought my cat all these toys and he was like, nope, box. So I made this box of each need.
You hear me? Don't ever poop in my bed again. You hear me?
Just an otter having the time of its life.
You got me. Oh my gosh, your shoe's untied.
Where?
That's right. That's right. Call for your mama.
Hi.
High five, Dinah. Good kitty! Yay!
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. What's up? What's up? Trying to...
Hi. Did you think you got left? You're okay.
Alright, this time I can do this. Just focus, focus. Ah! Damn it! I did it again! Come here. Come here. There you go.
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Give me that ass! Shake that ass, man! Want to say to Nikki. Okay. Nikki, Louis want to say. Okay, I say to him. Nikki won't say to you.
You go.
Unbelievable. No.
Come on, Billy.
No, I don't want to.
Come on, bring him over here.
Yeah, Sharon, what do you think I've been doing for the last hour and a half? Billy, get over here.
Mr. Pickles, escape!
See you later, suckers.
I think I have the only dog in the world who does this trick. Okay, you ready? Duncan, bitches are talking shit.
Wow. Wow. جالك شيء. وش تقول أنت؟
Oh, no, 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 no.
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit! Now come on!
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Okay, stop me from coming in here. Man, you don't really think I don't do this. Okay? Oh, y'all are so cute. Anything y'all bring to me, I'm hopping over. Oh, that's what we doing out here, huh? You done called in the reinforcements. The party's over, huh? My arch nemesis, the vacuum. You a real piece of